In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate and customize social media links in your email campaign using your email editor's built-in tools. This will enhance your email's outreach and engagement by connecting it directly to your social platforms. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open the draft of the email campaign you're planning to edit. This email draft already has the content you want to share, but it needs that extra touch that brings in your social presence. With your draft open, make your way to the footer section of your email. The footer is an ideal spot for placing your social media icons because it's accessible and doesn't interfere with the main content of your message. In the footer section, look for the Add button. Clicking on this will open up a block menu loaded with various options to enhance your email. From this block menu, you're going to select the Social Links block. This particular block is designed to automatically input and align your social media icons, making the process streamlined and efficient. Next, to ensure your social media links are connected correctly, head over to your main website's settings. This is where you'll manage all the links to your social media accounts. You'll need to navigate through your site's settings, then go into Website, and finally into the Social Links section. Here, you'll add the URLs of your social media pages. By inputting these URLs, you're connecting your email to your social media accounts, allowing the icons to auto-populate within your email's social links block with ease. Once your URLs are correctly connected, return to the social links block in your email editor. You're now ready to customize the look and feel of your icons. This step is crucial to ensure they match the overall design of your email and brand identity. Within the block settings, you'll find options to change the style of your icons. This can include altering their shape, color, or even utilizing different themes available within the tool. You can also adjust the size of the icons, so they're neither too overwhelming nor too insignificant in your email layout. Additionally, you have the flexibility to align the icons to fit your design preferences. Whether you prefer them centered, aligned to the left, or stacked on the right, these simple tweaks can make your email not only visually pleasing, but also functionally effective. And there you have it, a polished and professional addition to your email campaign that directs your audience effortlessly to your social media platforms. By integrating these social links, you're encouraging more engagement and creating a seamless connection between your digital communication channels. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial both informative and actionable. Happy emailing!